everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to creating an edit on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just go open the CapCut application, and after you open it, this is the look. So to start or creating an edit, you just need to go click new project. In this new project, you are having access over the video on your phone that you can choose as the media that you can edit on your CapCut application, or you can also choose a photo. So it will be exploring the photo library of your phone, but if you have none of them, you can just go into the stock videos. In the stock videos, there will be a lot of videos that already provide by the CapCut that you can use here. If you want to have a scenery video, there will be a lot of scenery video here, atmosphere too. There will also a live and many things. So you just need to go click one of them. And after that, you just need to go click add. And now you already have your project with all of features that you can explore to edit. So there will be a lot of features that you can use in downside here. You can just exploring by click everything. You can just exploring everything. So today I want to make this video like moving a little bit fast since it's going too slow. So the things that I want to do is just go click this clip, and after that go click speed. In the speed, I would like to use normal, and now I would like to adjusting or drag this point into the right side to make it like faster. Oops, my bad. I want to make it like 4 times, and after that just not to click done. And now let's see. I think it's need more move, so I would like to make it a bit faster again. I think into the click done, and let's have a check. Okay, now we already have the speeds that I want. So whenever everything is done, just need to click this to export it. So that's the way how to create and edit on a CapCut. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.